You're on cafe Wi-Fi. Someone 2 tables away could be watching the same network you're connected to. Every photo you upload, every message you send, every website you visit starts its journey from this very connection. So, what actually happens next? Here's where that data really goes. Every request leaves your device, passes through your Wi-Fi router, then your Internet Service Provider, your ISP, before it ever reaches its destination. Most people never think about this invisible journey. You type a website address, press Enter, and everything just seems to work. But behind the scenes, every request follows this exact path. Your ISP sits right in the middle of it. Your ISP sees all of this, logged, time-stamped, tied to your real identity, your IP address, the websites you're connecting to, exactly when you visited them, how long you stayed connected, and how much data you transferred, recorded every single time. Now, thanks to HTTPS, your ISP usually can't read the actual contents of the page you're viewing. Your passwords, messages, and banking information are encrypted, but they still know who you connected to and when you connected. Encryption changes the game. It takes readable information and scrambles it into what looks like complete nonsense. To anyone without the correct encryption key, it's nothing more than random data. Only the intended destination has the key needed to turn that scrambled information back into something meaningful. This is what a VPN adds. Before your traffic ever reaches your ISP, your device encrypts everything and wraps it inside a secure tunnel. Now your ISP is effectively blinded. It can still see that you're connected to a VPN, but instead of seeing every website you visit, all it sees is encrypted traffic flowing to one place, the VPN server. That VPN server becomes your new gateway to the internet. Websites now see a different version of you. Your real IP address never leaves the tunnel. Instead, every website sees the VPN server's IP address. As far as that website is concerned, the VPN server is the one making the request. Your real location is hidden behind it. But it's not invisibility. A VPN hides your IP address. It does not hide your identity. If you're logged in to Google, Google still knows it's you. If you're logged in to Facebook, Facebook still knows it's you. Tracking cookies still follow you. Your browser fingerprint stays almost exactly the same. And if you willingly give a website your name, email address, or phone number, a VPN can't erase that information. Someone still sees you. The VPN provider now sits exactly where your ISP used to. You've moved your trust, not your exposure. That's why choosing a trustworthy VPN provider is important. A good VPN protects your privacy. A bad VPN could simply collect the same information your ISP used to see. So, should you actually use one? Yes, but for the right reasons. It isn't magic. Use a VPN on public Wi-Fi. Use it to stop your ISP from easily seeing where you're browsing. Use it to access content that's only available in certain regions. But don't expect total anonymity. Don't expect protection from malware. And don't expect it to hide illegal activity. A VPN encrypts your traffic and masks your IP address. That's the whole trick. Not magic, just a secure, encrypted tunnel with a different address on the other end. And now you know exactly how it works. Subscribe to TechRoboGlobal for more technology explained simply.